comes in various forms. Sometimes the information being shared may not be false per se, but the facts or the evidences used to back it up may be misleading. This is what today's video is about. On 6 September, English news channel Times Now aired visuals while reporting that China had opened up its side of the Pangong Tso Lake to tourists. These visuals were not representative images but were aired as exclusive footage to back their claim. Just to jog your memory a bit, the Pangong Tso Lake is a 135-kilometer long lake in Ladakh through which the line of actual control passes. India controls over 45 kilometers of this lake, and a section of the lake, approximately 20 kilometers east of the LAC, is controlled by China but is also claimed by India. This section is in fact open to tourists, as this tweet by a CGTN journalist confirms. But the visuals that Times Now aired, well, it is not ironic that they are from a place called the Three Idiots Point on the Indian side of the lake. Yes, you guessed it right. It was where the blockbuster Bollywood film Three Idiots starring Aamir Khan and Kareena Kapoor was shot. The film, which released in 2009, became a turning point for the tourism industry in Ladakh. The shooting of parts of the film led to the creation of a well-established Three Idiots shooting point in Ladakh, which recreates the setting of the film. Here are 3 clues from the images Times Now aired that gave it away. Remember those chairs from the song All Is Well? Wish we could say that about Times Now's reporting. As many vlogs from the place show us, those chairs are now a part of the setting at the Three Idiots shooting point and were also a part of Times Now's exclusive reportage. Another video uploaded on YouTube in March showed the same yellow scooter with a black funnel-like structure as seen in the Times Now visuals. That apart, who can forget the final scene of the movie in which Kareena Kapoor gets off a similar looking yellow scooter and discovers कि नाक बीच में नहीं आता. टाइम्स नाउ का तो वैसे भी नहीं आता क्योंकि ये सब करने के बाद नाक तो कट ही चुकी है. And finally, we also found an image uploaded on Alamy in 2017 which mentioned that it is from the Three Idiots shooting point, which when compared to the Times Now visuals showed 3 similar elements. The yellow scooter, the chair trio and a movie poster all in the same row. Clearly, therefore, Times Now was using visuals from the Indian side of the Pangong Tso Lake with the claim that it is exclusive footage of tourists on the Chinese side. This video was also uploaded by the Times Now Twitter handle, which at the time of recording this video had garnered over 31,000 views. This video was further picked up by social media users and a misleading video went viral. In spite of being called out by several fact checkers, the channel is yet to issue a correction or a clarification. If there are any such photos, videos or information that you would like to get verified, WhatsApp us at 96436 or write in to us at webkoof@thequint.com. Until then, like, share and subscribe to The Quint and don't be a webkoof.